My name is Lasya Priya. My name is Ritika. We are studying in first standard San Philomena's High School in Surya City.
GK concepts. 9 Union Territories of India.
9 Union Territories of India. Andaman and Nicobar Islands, Fourth Place, Chandigarh, Chandigarh, Dadar and Nagar Haveli, Silvassa, Daman and Diu, Daman, Delhi, New Delhi, Lakshadweep, Kavaratti, Puducherry, Puducherry, Jammu and Kashmir, Jammu, Ladakh.
Prime Ministers of India.
Prime Minister of India, Jawaharlal Nehru, Gujarilal Nanda, Lal Bahadur Shastri, Indira Gandhi, Morarji Desai, Charan Singh, Rajiv Gandhi, Vishwanath Pratham Chand, Chandrasekhar, V.V. Narasimha Rao, Atal Bihari Vajpayee, H.D. Deve Gowda, Indira Kumar Gujarat, Manmohan Singh, Narendra Modi.
Rivers of India.
Rivers of India, Brahmaputra, Ganga, Godavari, Indus, Kaveri, Krishna, Mahanadi, Narmada, Periyar, Kaminabharani, Vaigai, Yamuna.
Districts in Karnataka.
Districts in Karnataka, Bagalkot, Bellary, Bidar, Bengaluru Rural, Bengaluru Urban, Belagavi, Chamarajanagar, Chikkaballapura, Chikradudra, Dakshina Kannada, Davangere, Dharwad, Gadag, Hasan, Haveri, Kalburgi, Kodagu, Kolar, Koppala, Mandya, Mysore, Ramnagara, Raichur, Shivamogga, Tumkur, Udupi, Uttara Kannada, Vijaypura, Yadgiri.
7 continents of the world.
7 continents of the world: Asia, Africa, Europe, North America, South America, Antarctica, Australia.
5 oceans.
5 oceans of the world: Atlantic Ocean, Indian Ocean, Pacific Ocean, Southern Ocean, Arctic Ocean.
Jnanapita Award winners from Karnataka.
Jnanapita Award winners from Karnataka: Kuvenpu, Dara Bengre, Shivaram Kanand, Masti Venkatesh Iyengar, V.K. Gokar, Yuvarananda Modi, Irish Kanand, Chandrasekhara Kampala.
Dashavatara of Lord Vishnu.
Dashavatara of Lord Vishnu: Matsya, Kurma, Varaha, Narasimha, Vamana, Parashurama, Rama, Krishna, Buddha, Kalki.
4 Vedas.
4 Vedas: Rigveda, Yajurveda, Samaveda, Atharvana Veda.
7 colors in rainbow.
7 colors in rainbow: violet, indigo, blue, green, yellow, orange, red.
National festivals of India.
National festivals of India: January 26, Republic Day; August 15, Independence Day; September 5, Teachers Day; October 2nd, Gandhi Jayanti; November 14, Children's Day.
Borders of India.
Borders of India: North Himalayas, South Indian Ocean, East Bay of Bengal, West Caribbean Sea, smallest state Goa,
Neighboring countries of India.
Neighboring countries of India: Afghanistan, Bangladesh, Bhutan, China, Myanmar, Nepal, Sri Lanka, Pakistan.
Neighboring states of Karnataka.
Neighboring states of Karnataka: Andhra Pradesh, Goa, Kerala, Maharashtra, Tamil Nadu, Telangana.
Top 10 kings of Karnataka.
Top 10 kings of Karnataka: Pulakeshin, Krishnadevaraja, Krishnuvardhana, Mayuravarma, Amoghavasha, Madakali Nayaka, Kitturani Channamma, Akka Bukka, Jaya Chamaraja Odayar, Kempegowda.
Indian monuments.
Indian monument: Agra Fort, Ajanta Caves, Charminar, Gateway of India, Golden Temple, Gol Gumbaz, Hampi Temple, Iron Pillars, Jamma Masjid, Khajuraho Monument, Red Fort, Taj Mahal.
Indian women freedom fighters of India.
Indian women freedom fighters of India: Durgabai Deshmukh, Aruna Safali, Sijendra Tripalini, Kitturani Channamma, Keladi Channamma, Onake Opava, Vijayalakshmi Pandit, Sarojini Naidu, Jhansi Rani Lakshmibai.
8 parts of speech.
8 parts of speech: noun, pronoun, adverb, adjective, preposition, conjunction, interjection.
Top 10 Indian scientists.
Top 10 Indian scientists: Srinivasa Ramanujan, C.V. Raman, O.B. Baba, Jagadish Chandra Bose, M. Vishveshwaraya, Satyendranath Bose, Subramaniam Chandrasekhar, Vikram Sarabhai, Anil Kokotkar, APJ Abdul Kalam.
Indian dynasties.
Indian dynasties: Chalukya, Chola, Vaisala, Maurya, Pallava, Gupta, Rashtrakuta, Mughal, Vijayanagar, Vardhan.
Religions and religious books.
Religions and religious book: Hinduism, Bhagavad Gita, Veda, Upanishad, Islam, Quran, Christianity, Bible, Sikhism, Guru Granth Sahib, Buddhism, Tripitakas, Jainism, Jainagamas, Parsi, Avesta.
ಶಂಕರಾಚಾರ್ಯರು ಸ್ಥಾಪಿಸಿದ 4 ಮಠಗಳು.
ಶಂಕರಾಚಾರ್ಯರು ಸ್ಥಾಪಿಸಿದ 4 ಮಠಗಳು: ಶಾರದಾ ಪೀಠ, ಶೃಂಗೇರಿ, ಕರ್ನಾಟಕ; ಬಾಳಿಕಾ ಪೀಠ, ಭಾರತ, ಗುಜರಾತ್; ಗೋವರ್ಧನ ಪೀಠ, ಪೂರಿ, ಒಡಿಶಾ; ಜ್ಯೋತಿರ್ಪೀಠ, ಬದಾರಿ, ಉತ್ತರಾಖಂಡ.
12 ಮಾಸಗಳು.
12 ಮಾಸಗಳು: ಚೈತ್ರ, ವೈಶಾಖ, ಜ್ಯೇಷ್ಠ, ಆಷಾಢ, ಶ್ರಾವಣ, ಭಾದ್ರಪದ, ಆಶ್ವೀಜ, ಕಾರ್ತಿಕ, ಮಾರ್ಗಶಿರ, ಪುಷ್ಯ, ಮಾಘ, The iron is hot. The sick well gets the grease. Time and time wait for none. Too many brooks, why the brew? Don't come to the chicken before